Welcome to Wheelshares, Jotmark's vlog on Wheelshares, and today I'll be discussing forex trading, and I'll be talking about forex trading. Yeah, many people have asked me to actually speak about stocks. Yeah, so I just want to talk about forex trading so you understand how stocks work. But however, I'm going to do the way it works in my country, so you'd be able to, you should be able to merge, like connect the dots when you are able to watch the video. Now, forex trading. Okay, now I'm going to kindarticle.com, which is my blog where I wrote about forex trading. Now, before it loads, I'm going to talk about forex trading, and let's go. Forex trading is basically foreign exchange, just forex, the fusion of two words, foreign and exchange. Now, forex trading can be, well, I don't know why there's no internet, but I have internet connection. Okay, so it can be the exchange of currency pairs. It can also be the exchange of it can also be like an up and down movement of stocks. So I'm just trying to break the words down now so that it's not going to be too ambiguous for someone who is just coming into the system. Now, forex trading is one of the most manipulated markets in the world, in the sense that traders use bots, and some traders they trade huge amounts of money. So this is a typical forex trading platform. You can see how much I actually didn't want anybody to see how much I have, so I'm going to close it. So now this is I'm trading D30, which is dish boss. Okay, so now this is how forex works. You have a certain amount of money. Now, out of that money you trade. The moment you open the trade, okay, yeah, let's just go basically now. The moment you open the trade, an amount of money called spread is deducted from your account. Now, that spread would immediately go to positive, which is very being negative. Now, it will immediately go to positive if you have made the right decision, or it might still remain in positive. To go to positive as your decisions become right. If your decisions are wrong, it will go to negative. So now you can see mine dancing around. I know I'm entering this market, this trade very late, but it's still good to enter. Dishbox has been selling for days, and now I think there's a retracement, but the retracement is not so strong. I'm supposed to actually enter on the second turning point, but I just decided to enter here just for the purpose of this class, so I hope not to lose my money. But I have a stop loss already. So now we can trade different we call them instruments. So these instruments can either be stocks or currency pairs. Now for currency pairs, we have let me use one as an example, the US dollar against the Japanese yen. You can see the movements now. A Japanese yen is 100, let's say about 112 Japanese yen will give you $1. So trading the US dollar against the Japanese yen, when you are buying the Japanese yen, you are betting that the Japanese yen, the US dollar, you are betting that the US dollar will rise in value against the Japanese yen. And when you are selling this particular trading instrument, it means you are saying that the US dollar will go down, that the value of the US dollar will go down against that of the yen. Now you can see mine. You can see now. Well, as it is, the same applies to stocks. You can see me trading a stock here now. Now I made a decision that this stock was going to go up in value. Why? Following the basic principle of buy low, sell high, as against some other fundamentals. Dishbox has been selling for a long time. The price has been falling due to the fact that some of the companies are not doing well. Trade wars here and there, and some other factors. Some of these companies are dependent on the United Arab Emirates for so many things, and then United Arab Emirates stocks is falling, and so many factors which you need to actually pull out by yourself. Now, if I close this trade, I'll be losing this amount of money. Now I'm actually trading in points. Let me trade in, so you can see that. Now if this trade goes in direction of my decision, which is a buy, I'll actually be making profits, but at the moment I'm at a loss. So this is how forex trading works. So same applies to stocks. Now, but the difference between stocks trading and forex trading is, forex trading, I'm not talking about binary options now. Forex trading is actually real time. In real time, you make money or you lose money. Why for stocks? If you buy 10,000 or let's say $1,000 worth of Facebook stocks, for instance, and Facebook stocks rise by 10%, that means you'll be making $100 profit. If Facebook stocks drops by 10%, you're just making a 10% loss. Now, for these, if Facebook stocks rise or drop by 10%, you'll be making or losing more than 10% of the money. Yeah, because it depends on the lot size. You have a lot size. I can decide to increase my risk here or reduce my risk here. I can decide to also trade in different time frames. I have monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame, hourly, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. But I basically trade from daily downwards. I also make my findings, like I analyze the market based on information I get from all these time frames, and I make my decisions. So that's how forex trading works. I actually wanted to show you some things on my blog, but it happens not to be opening now. I think my internet is bad, but it's working for my forex trader. But you can head on to kindarticle.com and check out the things I've written about forex there. Okay, I think it's going to go now. So I have some materials here on stocks, on forex, that you can read and at least get some candid information out. I also have some forex traders I've highlighted for you to trade with if you're interested in trading. Actually, this is for people living in my country, Nigeria. Feel free to go on kindarticle.com and start reading. So I think if you enjoyed my video, let me know, and if you think there are some things I didn't mention, let me know. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now. Okay, the trade, I actually wanted to stop the video, but you can see the trade now is now at a positive, so I can decide to close this if it's okay for me. But I still have the hope and feeling that I can make up this on this trade. Yeah, I can make up to that on this trade. So that's it.